So as for king 10, I think this is my idea. I don't know, like you guys, what do you guys think? I think we don't really see people call this much on the river. So they never fold the queen, and they call hands like jack 8, close to pure. They call, okay, 9-8 is two paired. They call 8-7 a bunch. They call, what is this? This is two pair. This is also two pair. I mean, it's just 7-6 calls a lot. 7-6 offsuit calls a lot. So I don't know. Like it feels to me that we can get them to fold a little bit more here. They will, yeah. This is the same. I was thinking the same. No, yeah, this is what solver calls, and I think they will fold more queen. They will fold even some queen X. Yeah, I think so. I can see being a range bluff really on the river, and this type of spots where I still don't think population expects everyone to blast off these type of hands always, and then blast off like king 7 and whatever is bluffing here. I expect folds in these type of spots here. So I think we can really go for something crazy like bluff range here. Not give up anything.